Kir Mayadit, the President of the Republic of South Sudan. Na karibu sana Mheshimiwa. Allow me to introduce His Excellency Filipe Nyusi, the President of the Republic of Mozambique. Allow me to introduce His Excellency Dr. Emerson Mnangagwa, the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe. Allow me to introduce His Excellency Felix Tshisekedi, the President of DRC. Allow me to introduce His Excellency Azali Assoumani, the President of Comoros. Allow me to introduce my elder brother, His Excellency, the Prime Minister of Ethiopia, His Excellency Abiy Ahmed. Allow me to introduce President Omari Sissoko, the President of Guinea-Bissau. Allow me to introduce a man who knows this country very well, and a pastor, Dr. Lazarus Chakwera, the President of Malawi. Allow me to introduce our neighbor and the chair of the East African Community, the President of Burundi, His Excellency Evariste Ndayishimiye. Allow me to introduce His Excellency Wavel Ramkalawan, the President of Seychelles. Samia Suluhu, Rais wa Jamhuri ya Tanzania. Karibu sana mama wetu. In our midst are many other leaders, including vice presidents, other prime ministers, and other leaders, senior government officials.